Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by 3.37% compared to the same day last year, while the price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by 2.39% and the price of Binance Coin, BNB, to USDT has increased by 0.52%.
Latest news.
Singapore High Court allows NFTs to attach legal documents to hacked wallets. iSanctuary has been granted permission by the Singapore High Court to attach non-fungible tokens, NFTs, containing a legal document to cold wallets associated with a hack. The NFTs will not prevent transactions but will serve as a warning to counterparties and exchanges. The court-issued freeze order was tokenized as soulbound NFTs and attached to the wallets. iSanctuary was employed by a businessperson who lost 31 million in crypto assets and was able to track the stolen funds. The on-chain and off-chain evidence was presented by an iSanctuary senior investigator and a worldwide injunction was granted. iSanctuary financial and crypto investigators identified a series of cold wallets holding the proceeds of the crime, and their method of service via NFT was accepted by the court. The case spans countries from Singapore to Spain, Ireland, Britain, and other European countries. Crypto bear market forces several projects to cease operations. The ongoing crypto bear market has led to several projects downsizing or shutting down entirely. LBRY, a decentralized content sharing and publishing platform, is the latest to succumb to the conditions. The company has lost a judgment to the federal government, has debts to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, its legal team, and a private debtor, resulting in its assets, including Odyssey, being under receivership. Other projects affected include SuperDAO, a platform facilitating community-driven decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, Yield Protocol, and NFT platform Recur. IBM unveils prototype AI chip with exceptional energy efficiency and speed. IBM has introduced a new AI chip, North Pole, which claims to be faster and more energy efficient than any existing chip. The chip achieved a 25 times higher energy metric and a 22 times lower time metric of latency on a relevant benchmark, potentially leading to post-GPU performance with significantly reduced energy requirements. The chip is built in IBM's Alameda, California laboratory and outperforms all prevalent architectures. The chip is being tested on a 50-layer neural network, primarily used for computer vision tasks, and suggests it could perform well in tasks such as autonomous surgery, self-driving cars, and robotics. IBM is working on the next chip using the North Pole architecture. MultiversX token, EGLD surges, following Google Cloud partnership announcement. MultiversX's native token EGLD experienced a nearly 500% spike after the network announced a partnership with Google Cloud, a division of tech giant Alphabet, Google. The token's value increased to over $26 from under $24 during European morning hours, before settling back to trade at $24.59, a 24-hour gain of 3%. The partnership was announced during MultiversX's X-Day conference in Bucharest, Romania, where it was revealed that the blockchain network would collaborate with Google Cloud to utilize its AI and data analytics tools. This will enable MultiversX to streamline large-scale blockchain projects by allowing developers to easily access data about addresses, transacted amounts, smart contract interactions, and more. XRP price surges to 53 cents as smart money tiers accumulate. XRP's price has surged to 53 cents, marking the highest point in the past 10 days. The fifth largest crypto asset had maintained a stable range between 48 cents and 52 cents. Data suggests a cohort of addresses, dubbed the smart money tiers, has been accumulating since the start of October. The price uptick is closely linked to a significant increase in accumulation among addresses holding 10,000 to 10 million XRP. This particular group of holders now possess the highest quantity of XRP since July 27, accounting for 29.5% of the total supply. The trend coincided with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission's (SEC) announcement seeking to dismiss all claims against Ripple CEO Brad Darlinghouse and Executive Chair Chris Larsen on October 19, which was undoubtedly the company's third win in a row against the financial watchdog. Although the dispute between Ripple and the regulatory authority remains ongoing, the legal clarity has significantly boosted XRP's appeal among investors. EU regulators propose bank-style rules for crypto company shareholders and executives. European Union regulators have proposed bank-style rules for crypto company shareholders and executives. The proposals are part of the EU's landmark new crypto law, the Markets in Crypto Assets Regulation, MiCA, set to take effect in December 2024. The rules cover curbs on ownership, governance, and bonuses for crypto companies and their staff. Shareholders with more than a 10% stake in a crypto company will be vetted for previous convictions or sanctions. The new MiCA laws require prospective crypto license holders to show that owners and executives have a good reputation. Companies issuing stablecoins, a type of cryptocurrency tied to the value of other assets such as fiat, will also face limits on staff bonuses. The consultation is open for comment until January. MiCA to conduct background checks on cryptocurrency company executives. The Markets in Crypto Assets, MiCA, regulation will conduct background checks on cryptocurrency company executives. The EBA and ESMA have also shareholders and board members of crypto asset service providers not be convicted of money laundering or terrorist financing-related crimes or other crimes that would affect their good reputation. If such circumstances are found, MiCA has the authority to revoke the company's eligibility to operate within the European Union. Weekly market highlights. BNB Greenfield Mainnet is here. Ant's research team is highlighting key market events and views for the week. The company will introduce a crypto custody service in Dubai for institutional clients. MetaMask will enable on-ramp service for US users, and BNB Greenfield Mainnet is live, introducing a fully public decentralized data storage network for Web3 data ownership. The BNB token burn has successfully completed. Over 2 million BNB have been burned, and Manta Network has partnered with Polygon Labs to migrate from Optimism to Polygon as a zkVM layer. The company will postpone the vesting of 125 MIMX tokens to July 2024. Lightning Labs has launched Taproot Assets Protocol, which aims to facilitate the creation of stablecoins and other assets on Bitcoin and Lightning. The Solana Foundation has joined forces with UAE's Dubai Multi-Commodities Center to offer technical and business support, Web3 education, and expand their grant program for DMC Crypto Center members. The RK Digital Assets Oasis has launched, creating an economic free zone focused on supporting businesses in blockchain, digital assets, and Web3. MyShell, an UpBNB-based AI platform, has raised US $1.6 million in seed funding, and DYDX Trading will forego trading fee revenue from its upcoming V4 platform to transition to a public benefit corporation. Upland raises $7 million in Series A funding (LED) by EOS Network Ventures. Upland, a blockchain-based real estate trading game, has completed a $7 million Series A extension funding round (LED) by EOS Network Ventures. The funds will be used to add game features and expand player access to digitalized land on real-world maps. Upland is developing on the EOS platform and plans to launch tokens on Ethereum. The company has over 3 million registered players and 30,000 daily active users. Upland has also signed partnerships with FIFA and the NFL Players Association. Google Cloud integrates MultiversX to enhance developer access to blockchain data. Google Cloud has integrated MultiversX into its platform, allowing developers to use Google Cloud tools to build applications based on the platform. This integration will provide developers with access to information about addresses, transaction amounts, smart contract interactions, and on-chain data analysis. Bitcoin nears $30K, rises 5.4% in 24 hours on Binance. Bitcoin, BTC, is currently approaching $30,000, according to data from Binance. In the past 24 hours, the cryptocurrency has experienced a 5.4% increase in price, further solidifying its recent momentum. European authorities release consultation paper on crypto asset guidelines. The European Banking Authority, EBA, and the European Securities and Markets Authority, ESMA, have jointly released consultation paper on assessing the suitability of management body members and shareholders or members holding qualifying stakes in issuers of asset reference tokens, ARTs, and crypto asset service providers, CASPs. The guidelines aim to provide regulatory bodies with a shared approach for assessing the suitability of shareholders or members holding qualifying stakes in ART or CASP issuers, and evaluating the knowledge, expertise, integrity and ability of management body members. The consultation period is until January 22, 2024, and the guidelines offer standardized criteria for evaluating the suitability of management body members and shareholders holding qualifying stakes. The EBA has encouraged stablecoin issuers to adhere to specific guiding principles related to risk management and consumer protection in anticipation of upcoming regulations. Argentina's central bank accelerates work on digital peso legislation. The Central Bank of Argentina has accelerated its work on implementing a central bank digital currency, CBDC, in the country. Juan Agustin de Teles Noguera, director of the bank, revealed during a public discussion on Philo News that the bank is working on the legislative framework for the digital peso, a CBDC project proposed by the Minister of Economy and presidential candidate Sergio Massa. De Teles praised Massa's approach to CBDC and implicitly criticized the position of another presidential candidate, Javier Milei, who has been publicly proclaimed the dollarization of the Argentine economy. De Teles believes that the digital peso could help stabilize the Argentine economy as soon as 2024, with its key feature being its traceability, which would allow the government to collect taxes. Massa committed to introducing a digital peso should he win the election, aiming to address Argentina's enduring inflation issue. According to the latest election polls, Massa is marginally behind Javier Milei, who advocates for adopting the US dollar as Argentina's official currency while opposing the central bank's role.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.